Elaina's Experiments is brought to you by Hillcrest Air Conditioning and Sheet Metal, serving you since 1950.
All right, so every Monday we bring in local educators and STEM enthusiasts to share experiments and demonstrations you can do at home with things that you probably have just laying around. And our friend Melanie Pitcher with the Bakersfield Idea Lab is here. And I love that you immediately came in and said, "Do you want something stinky?" And I'm like, yes. My kids immediately would say, "Yes, we do."
And I can provide that.
Okay, so what did you bring today?
So today I brought a lesson on chemical compounds, more specifically compounds that create carbon dioxide. So we have two methods that are easily found in your cabinets. One method is with Alka-Seltzer tabs, and those Alka-Seltzer tabs, the ingredients in Alka-Seltzer or effervescent tabs will mix with water and they will create those bubbles that create carbon dioxide. One of the active ingredients is sodium bicarbonate, and that is also known as baking soda. And so if you also mix baking soda with vinegar, it will also create carbon dioxide bubbles. And the goal today is to see if we can create enough carbon dioxide to inflate balloons.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so how do we do this?
So it's really simple. You're just going to take your cap off, and you are going to take your balloon, and you're going to want to take your nozzle of your balloon, and you're going to want to put it over the top.
Oh, this vinegar is stinky. You're right.
And there's a lot in there. You want to try to make sure it's on there as best you can get it down there. And then once it's on, you're going to take your balloon and kind of dump the material.
Ooh, and you immediately see the balloon start to get tight and fill.
There you go.
That's amazing. And it's getting cold to the touch.
Yes. So these are just some really fun things that you can do at home. These are very, very simple key items that you have. You can actually see your balloon is filling up.
Is this going to pop and be very stinky vinegar?
It should be okay, but now see you're starting to boil.
It's boiling, but it's cold.
Yes. Yes.
Fascinating.
Yes. So you can imagine what it is like in your tummy.
Yes. So that's why Alka-Seltzer helps.
Yes, because it's a neutralizer. So you can see my balloon is very small and calm, and so there's your activities.
Just fascinating. And so they both had the Alka-Seltzer tabs, but it was the vinegar providing a bigger reaction.
So in effervescent tabs, the active ingredient is citric acid. It causes the bubbles. In this particular one, so when effervescent goes into your tummy, your stomach is the acid for it. In this particular one, vinegar was provided, but it still has sodium bicarbonate in it.
Just amazing. So I love, you can do this with all ages. Older teenagers, we talk about chemical compounds and the reactions. For the toddlers, they're just playing with a giant balloon. That's so much fun.
Absolutely, and it's pretty painless, it's pretty clean, and it's a lot of fun. And also we'll be doing this one, we'll be taking colored Halloween balloons and making little faces on our balloons. So when parents come in, they'll shake them up and it'll kind of morph into like a picture, like a cat or something like that.
Okay, fun. And tell us a little bit more about the Idea Lab. Do we just stop by with our kids anytime?
You absolutely can. So we do monthly enrollment, we do drop-in. Our classes run 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. We offer classes on the hour at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. There are regimented classes, but there are classes in every single cognitive set. So we have cooking and science and art and engineering and some robotics and some coding going on. And it is a wide variety for your child to pick and choose what interests them. And if they find something that maybe they like it for a month and they want to pop to the next thing, we are welcoming anybody to come by and check it out.
I love it. Making STEM and learning and science fun. So this is just something I have to do for my kids. If I release this, oh, am I going to pop it?
And we have a vinegar shower.
A little bit of vinegar rain. You're welcome for that. Thank you so much. That was very fun.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be right back with Business News.